In this video, I'll show you how to insert the Indian rupee symbol in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. First, place and click where you want this symbol to appear. Then click Insert at the top of the ribbon and navigate towards Symbol. Select it once. Then click More Symbols. In the new window, go to Subset, click on the downward arrow and select Currency Symbols. From here, we've got to find the rupee symbol. For me, it is here. Select it once. Indian rupee sign, and then click Insert. Then click Close. For an even faster way, we can use something called a Unicode. Type in the following, and I'll put it in the description below. 20B9. Then hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and press X. And that will turn that code into the Indian rupee sign. From here, we can simply copy and paste the sign into any location that you want. Please note that not all fonts support the Indian rupee sign. So in best case, I'm using Calibri. You can use that. So just bear that in mind when you're writing your document. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more about inserting symbols and special characters, then check out my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.